Hi everybody. Christmas 2021 challenge by 60-second cocktails in Rob's Home Bar and Booze on the Rocks. Those were 3 people that I said that you better write down their places and go visit them and subscribe because Vito needs 1,000. He's closing in on 1,000. So you guys better get out there and go to 60-second cocktails. Go to Rob's Home Bar and go also to Booze on the Rocks and say hi to Dave. Hi Dave. He always shakes with a smile. Gotta love that Dave. And Vito, forget about it. He's the man. I had to throw that in, Vito. I had to throw that in. Anyhow, today's Christmas cocktail. And I am going to use 1 ounce of vodka. Why 1 ounce? I have no clue, but that's what it's called for, 1 ounce. I gotta name this thing. I think I might call it the Santa of drinks. Or maybe Santa stinks.
Okay, so you just put in an ounce. Oh, you're rolling.
Okay, I'm rolling still. 1/2 ounce of Bailey's. I'm putting 1/2 ounce of Bailey's. Putting 1/2 ounce of Bailey's in there.
Oh, I bet you need more.
Karen says I need more, but I don't think so because I'm Cocktail Tony and she's not. What do you think of that? I got a whole bunch of friends. I got friends in Australia. I got friends in Italy. I got friends in Great Britain. I got friends from Great Britain that moved to 1/2 ounce of Kahlua that moved to Arizona. And they're Brit girls. They're Brit girls gone stateside. Unbelievable. 1/2 ounce of Vanilla Vodka. Yeah, this is going to be one festive cocktail. I'm festive drinking already, thinking about it. Maybe I'll just do this 1/2 ounce. Didn't I say I'm going to use 1/2 ounce, Karen? Whoops, that's an ounce. I just poured in a little bit too much, but that's me. What can I say? Felt like buzzing with my cuz today, as you can tell. And I'm shaking with a smile. And Merry Christmas, ho ho ho, and all that other stuff that goes with it. Always get the top going here. Clean the bar today. The bar cleaning experience. And it's a martini glass. Now, one thing he said, I gotta make this drink very festive. So I got chocolate around the rim of the martini glass. And I got a candy cane for garnish. And if you can't get any more festive than that. So I don't know what to tell you. When I'm ready for this cocktail, that's very, very tasty. But it's very chocolatey. I don't want to get chocolate on my mask. Because I'm going to buzz with my cuz. Now don't forget, leave comments. Leave comments. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I never ask for subscribers. Every time I probably ask for subscribers 10 times in all my videos. So anyhow, good. Even the stick is good. Anyhow, get a vaccine. Wear a mask. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, open it out.